Come with us today as we take a look around the Olympic Lagoon Resort with our friends Paul and Louise. Well, good morning everyone and welcome back to Jelly's Journey. Today we are at the Olympic Lagoon Resort again. Last time we came they weren't really allowing us in the hotel because we were not a resident or a guest. But this time we have friends over and they have kindly took over the camera and had a quick walk around. So this is the reception area, and just to get your bearings, you are on the main motorway going into Ayia Napa, but you can't really hear anything once you get into the hotel. So we are going to hand you over to Paul and Louise and we will see you at the end of the video.
Well, the grounds are absolutely stunning, everyone. As you can see, Paul and Louise kindly walk around the grounds and they passed a couple of the 7 restaurants that the hotel boasts. Absolutely beautiful areas. You can imagine them all lit up, sitting there with a nice glass of wine, chilling. It'd be a lovely start to your holiday. And the beautiful pool area with the fish and the bridge. We do like a bridge. And yes, now as you can see, Paul and Louise are walking towards what is the lazy river, and look at that water. Can you just imagine yourselves sitting in your donut or your dinghy, floating nicely? What a fantastic holiday you would have just relaxing here. And as you can see, the hotel boasts its own windmill. Now there are 7 pools that the hotel has, and you are also allocated your own sunbed, which is a perfect way to your holiday. It means no sunbed wars. So you can see ahead of you, you've got the main reception block and another pool area. So there is plenty of places to sunbathe. It's a beautiful area with the lights. And the grounds and the plants, they're spotless. Really lovely. And you've got another of the pool areas. More bridges. It really is a big hotel, but oh, the beautiful water. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is the main block and the reception area above. And as Louise pans round, you can see the rest of the pool area. So behind, as we speak, that will be Nisi Avenue and the bars and the shops. But look at that gorgeous area. So yes, just look at that pool area. And I think that's a jacuzzi area too. And you're just panning round. And it is slightly quiet for the time of year, but Paul has mentioned that it was quite busy when they landed, and there was quite a few came from the Newcastle flight. But yes, lovely little eating area, great views, and that's inside the dining area too. Looks lovely and comfortable and spacious. Oh, but look at that blue sky, everyone. And we're just heading back to the reception area block now. Well, Louise is just going into one of the superior rooms that overlooks the pool. And it is her dad Paul's birthday, so they did give them a lovely bottle of champagne and a couple of balloons.
So this is a superior
so the room looks spacious enough.
With a pool view. As you can see, it's got a really nice view from the room and a balcony looking right over the main pool. You get really comfy, like large bed with this room as well. And you get all of your teas and coffees provided. Yeah, it's a really nice spacious room. So this is the bathroom as you come in on the left. It's really spacious in here. You get 2 sinks. And obviously all your towels and everything are restocked every day. And you also get these little shampoos and conditioners, shower gels and your lotions. You get all sorts of them. And you also get free robes provided as well. So this is very nice in here.
Louise kindly decided to do the similar walk of the hotel and its grounds on an evening too, just to show us how lovely it is when it's all lit up. So you can see the restaurants, and Louise is doing exactly the same walk as what you saw earlier during the daytime. It does look really pretty, and it's not overly loud. You will hear a little bit of music. But yes, so beautiful, it really is. And there is entertainment on at the hotel. They do have musical shows.
Well, welcome back to me and Jerry. Thank you, Paul, and thank you, Lou, for having a lovely look around the hotel for us. It was a very, very kind of you. We hope you've had a fantastic holiday. Now, Paul and Louise have told us that they did the All-Inclusive Plus, which was fantastic. And the food was brilliant. So, for the hotel, this is the back, and as you can see, you do need a key to get in, although one of the staff has left it open, which is a bit of a shame. So, no, you're fine, thank you. So it is for residents only. Now, our friends did ask if we could actually go into the hotel and visit them while they were there, and they were very politely said, no, you do need to be a resident, which is a bit of a shame, but not to worry. So, the hotel, it has 7 pools, 7 restaurants, lots of kids activities. There is an adult only area, but lots to do. Now, Paul and Louise did tell us afterwards they've thoroughly enjoyed their holiday here and they would return. The food was fantastic. But to get your bearings, we are on the other side of the hotel. So when we started, you were on the motorway, and that's the reception area, but you don't hear any of that once you're in the actual hotel. This is Missy Avenue now. So you've got the Amethyst Hotel in the distance, and just beyond that you will have Water World and Ayia Napa Marina. So it is on the edge of Ayia Napa. It's about 2.5 kilometres into the centre of Ayia Napa, going in that direction. But we thought we would just take you down to the closest beach, which is going to be Landa. Now, you're about 20 minutes walk in that direction to Nisi Beach. Beautiful if you've never been. But we thought we'll take you a little bit of a walk down, just to show you how far it is. Are you thinking of coming to the Olympic Lagoon this year? Please let us know if you are. Have you stayed? Let us know your thoughts too. Now, we're just seeing the 101 go past. The bus service here, as you already know, is fantastic. They do stop just outside the hotels, and you can go into Ayia Napa, and they run very late or early in the mornings. So the 101 and the 102, very reasonable. A couple of euros for your journey, or you can get a day pass. But yes, today it is the 13th of May. And we left home and the temperature was 31 degrees. It is a lovely, lovely warm one. You can see some of the grounds here. Now, Paul and Louise did say the hotel was very, very busy, which is nice to see, because it is a quiet resort at this moment in time. Hopefully it picks up. Now, the hotel is near, of course, Paradise Village, which is just up there. Hello, Jezza.
Calamera.
Calamera.
How is everybody today? Lovely jubbly.
I'm just saying, 31 degrees.
Yes,
Beautiful.
it's a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. I'll just paid €2 in the car park to park it up.
Ooh, not like us. Well, it's not that far a walk really, is it? To the beach.
But having said that, this is the
The adults one.
Version of the Olympic Lagoon, which actually looks really nice.
A little bit close to the beach, but when you think that's your hotel there, and that's your reception area with the pillars. Just saying, you need the sealed cards to get into the grounds, so it'll be your card.
Ah, right, the room keys.
Yes. Oh, thank you. I've had a stop.
Yeah, but I start.
Back to sealed gate. And one of the members of staff left the door open.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, that's the.
Well, that's the adults only area. A really small building, isn't it?
Olympic Bay, yeah, Olympic Bay adults only. So, but
It might be definitely part of Olympic Lagoon, yeah. Who knows? You may let us know.
Anyway, we're going to walk down to Landa Beach.
Another lovely beach.
Another lovely beach.
If you walk further down, you'll end up at Nisi Beach. But this is quite popular, isn't it, this one?
Yeah, it's a nice beach.
It is, it's lovely. Oh, that breeze is beautiful.
Really nice.
So yes, as Jerry said, if you're bringing a car here and you're hiring one, €2 for the car park. Is that for a couple of hours?
2 hours, yeah. But you could obviously stay all day if you want, for about €5.
And it is a bigger car park than the one at Nisi Beach. And you can walk it. Oh, the breeze is
blowy actually,
beautiful.
isn't it? But it's a really, really warm breeze, isn't it? It's like...
Forgive me if you've got the sound of the waves. Guess who left the mic at home again?
Breeze.
The breeze.
Yeah, not the waves.
The waves, the breeze. I'm looking at the waves as we... Oh yes, let's have a look.
These look nice with the flowers and that, don't they?
They are pretty. It does look a pretty hotel. Have you stayed here? Let us know.
Yeah, not massive, is it?
There is a few people in there. Cool. That looks really nice. And the coffee area. I try to avoid the people that are sunbathing.
Yeah, not massive by any stretch, but it looks nice though. Yeah, it looks very nice.
Nice and peaceful.
Yeah, well that's it, you know, it's a great location as well.
That is.
I like
I
the
like
balconies.
that. Yeah, I think that's really nice, and they're quite good size as well, aren't they?
Massive balconies, yeah, they're really nice.
So you got the terraced area. Small.
Very small hotel, but you know.
We like that.
Adults only and right on the beach. That's our point.
So you come to the beach, you've got your showers, you've got your toilets.
Actually, I might just go back and get the towel out of the car, and I think I might have a swim while I'm
Ooh,
there.
go
Is
for
that
a
all
swim.
right?
I'm going for a paddle.
I'll go get the towel.
You do that. I want to get rid of her. A lovely little blue paradise beach bar restaurant. Ready for lunch. And that's part of the hotel as well. And you've got your buggies. Great fun. And let's see how busy the beach is. Look at that turquoise sea. Now, it does look a little bit choppy today. Hello, thank you. And we've just been given a massage by the sea. I'm just going to turn around for the wind and the breeze. So you got your neck and shoulder massage for €25. And your foot massage. And also if you want the Elysium Yacht experience. So I'll take a good copy of this and I'll put it at the end of this recording for yourselves. But yes, I'm hoping the sound doesn't put you off. But look at that. You've got the water sports. This is your Landa Beach. Keep walking that way, you'll get to Nisi Beach on the coastal path. And you'll get Dome Beach opposite. Absolutely lovely. Now it's not usually this choppy. but it is still early in the season. Lots of people starting to come along. You see people walking on the jetty for the water sport, people swimming in the sea. Absolutely beautiful day. So what's that took us? 5 or 10 minutes from the Olympic Lagoon? Not that far at all. If you like this video, please let us know. Put your thumbs up, send us a comment, subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. We'd really appreciate that. Welcome to our new subscribers as well. We really do appreciate your support. If there's anywhere that you'd like us to go, just let us know. Send us a message, put it in the comment. We really do not mind. But until next time, everyone, we will leave you with a view of the Olympic Lagoon Resort and Landa Beach. Until next time, everyone, take care now. Bye.